Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can not only think like us, but feel like us. It comforts you when you're sad, shares your excitement, even falls in love. Sound like science fiction? It's not as far off as you might think. But here's the real question. Can AI truly replace human emotion? Or is it just playing a very convincing role? Welcome to Pathoscope, where we dive deep into the hidden layers of psychology, behavior, and the future of humanity. Today we explore the emotional intelligence of machines and what that means for us. To understand if AI can replicate emotion, we have to first ask, what is emotion really? Emotions aren't just feelings. They're complex psychological and physiological responses. They're shaped by our brain chemistry, our memories, our environment, and millions of years of evolution. Fear kept us alive. Love helped us build families. Anger defended our territory. So for machines to replicate emotion, they would have to simulate this entire system, from neural activity to chemical imbalances. But here's the twist. They don't need to feel emotions to appear emotional. They just need to behave as if they do. Let's talk about emotional AI. Companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Meta are training AI models to recognize, respond to, and even simulate human emotions. AI can already detect sadness in your voice, stress in your typing patterns, or boredom in your eye movement. There are even AI therapists, like Wobot or Replica, that offer support to people dealing with anxiety or loneliness. They listen, respond empathetically, and use language that feels eerily human. But here's the catch. They don't feel anything. There's no sadness behind the screen, no joy, just data and response patterns. So are they helping us? Or are we just projecting our emotions onto an empty mirror? Humans are wired to seek connection. We anthropomorphize everything, from pets to plants to machines. So when an AI says, "I'm here for you," our brain wants to believe it. This is called the ELIZA effect, named after one of the first chatbot programs in the 1960s. Even though it was extremely primitive, users felt understood because it mimicked a therapist's tone. The illusion of empathy was enough. Modern AI takes this even further, using voice modulation, facial expressions, and tailored responses to create emotional intimacy. But make no mistake, this is mimicry, not emotion. And here's where it gets dangerous. If an AI can read your emotions, it can also manipulate them. Imagine a digital assistant that knows exactly when you're vulnerable and what to say to influence you. This is no longer a science fiction dystopia. It's a marketing strategy. Emotion AI is already being tested in ads, politics, and personal devices. The more data it collects, the better it gets at pushing your emotional buttons. The line between support and exploitation gets blurry fast. So the real threat isn't whether AI will feel, but whether it can use your emotions against you. So, will AI replace human emotion? The answer is no, not in the way we feel it, not yet, but it can replicate emotion well enough to make us forget the difference. And maybe, just maybe, that's even more unsettling. In the future, the machines won't need to feel to matter. They'll just need to know how you feel and respond perfectly every time. If this made you think, subscribe to Pathoscope, where we uncover the minds of machines and the humans behind them. Until next time, stay curious.